my dear students, how are you? You must be waiting for my new video, so I'm here with your video. Okay, in this video, we'll be studying lesson 10 of your book Focus. And what is the name of the lesson? The lesson's name is The Pencil Story. Okay, so ready to study with me? Okay, now first of all, I want to tell you something. You see three pictures here. This is the picture of Mahatma Gandhi, and I'm showing you two other pictures. This is the picture of his grandfather Sri Uttamchand Gandhi and his father Sri Karamchand Gandhi. Why I'm showing you these pictures? I'll tell you, because in this lesson, in the pencil story, you are going to study about Mahatma Gandhi and his grandfather Sri Uttamchand Gandhi. Okay, so should we start? So in this, we'll be studying full comprehension, means all the exercise, the back exercise of your lesson, the pencil story. Now, A part, number these sentences in the correct order. See, before these sentences, no number is written and the sequence is also not correct. Like first, I threw the small pencil away. Grandfather asked me where my pencil was. The sequence is wrong, students. I had a small pencil. I found the pencil under a rose plant. Grandfather told me that we should care for nature and its gifts. Grandfather gave me a torch to look for the pencil. So these sentences are not in correct order. So we are going to put the correct number in the beginning of each sentence. I threw the small pencil. I had a small pencil. You have to put number 1 here. See the pencil? Now, second number, I threw the small pencil away. Now, 3 number is, grandfather asked me where my pencil was. Number 4, grandfather gave me a torch to look for the pencil. Number 5, I found the pencil under a rose plant. See in the picture? Here a small pencil and this is a rose plant under the rose plant. Number 6, grandfather told me that we should care for nature and its gifts. Yes, this is the moral of the story, students. We should not throw away our things. We should care for the gifts given by the nature. Okay? Now B part. Tick the correct words to complete these sentences. First, Mohan dashed away the pencil because it was small. Which is the correct option? The correct option is threw. Mohan threw away the pencil because it was small. Second, Mohan asked grandfather for a new dash. What is it? Notebook or pencil? The correct answer is pencil. Yes, Mohan asked grandfather for a new pencil. Who is Mohan? Mahatma Gandhi when he was a child. Okay. Now, number 3. A pencil is made from dash. Is it road or is a rose or a wood? Yes, the correct answer is wood. See here in the picture, an ordinary pencil made of rigid wood and graphite. Graphite means lead, which is put inside this wooden pencil. Okay. Now, grandfather explained how dash was filled. What is filled? Lead. See the picture of lead. Lead. This is the correct answer. This is a lead, which is put inside the pencil with which you actually write with. Okay. Now, C part. Answer these questions. Why did Mohan not want to use pencil? What did grandfather want Mohan to get? Where did Mohan find the pencil? According to grandfather, why do we not throw away many things? Okay, ready to answer these questions? First, why did Mohan not want to use pencil? Mohan did not want to use pencil because it was small. Do you also do the same way? You ask your mom or dad that my pencil is small, I don't want to use it. But I hope in future you will not behave like that. Okay? Second question. What did grandfather want Mohan to get? Grandfather wanted Mohan to get back the small pencil. Third question. What did grandfather want Mohan to get? He want to get back the small pencil. Third question. Where did Mohan find the pencil? Mohan found the pencil under a rose plant. See in the picture? Number 4. According to grandfather, why do we not throw away many things? According to grandfather, we should think of all the people who do not have these things. Yes, this is the moral of the story. We should, before throwing anything, beta, your toys, your old clothes, your notebooks, pencils, please do not throw away. And just if a thought comes to your mind you want to throw away, please just think of such people, such needy people. Okay, you can donate these things. Your parents will help you to donate these things. Okay. Now D part. Answer these questions. In fact, these questions have to be answered to your partner. Okay, you tell to your partner. At what time do you wake up? I think you wake up around 6 a.m. Yes, because you have to get ready for school. But I wake up at 5 a.m. Okay. Now second question, what is the first thing you do in the morning? I think you would answer that you brush your teeth in the morning. But if you ask me, I would say I always pray to God in morning. I thank Him for everything He has given to us. Third, what do you have for breakfast? I think every child takes milk in breakfast. Okay, right? And along with you can take bread, butter or whatever your mom gives to you. Okay, but I always take milk and bread butter. Now number 4, at what time do you leave for school? I think you leave for school when your school bus arrives to pick you up. Okay, but I leave for school around 7 a.m. because my school is very near to my house. Last question, what do you do after school? After school, I think you have your lunch, then you sleep for a while, then in the evening you study, you complete your homework, then you go for play. Am I right? Okay. Now next E part. Match the word pairs in the 2 columns. See, 2 columns are here. This and this, like paper, and you have to match the correct word to make a correct pair. Paper with ball, no. Paper with thread, no. So let me see what are the answers. First is paper and pencil. This is the correct pair. Yes, you write on the paper with the help of a pencil. Next is lock and the key. Okay. A lock can never be opened without the help of key. Now, third number is salt. Salt is the pair with pepper. We go together like this. When you have food, sometimes you wish to add some salt or pepper in your dish. Okay. Now next is day, and the correct pair is night. See in the picture, day and night. These are the correct pairs. Now next is needle with thread. Next, bread with butter. Second last is door with window. See the door and here the window. Last is bat ball. Okay, you play with bat ball. You love this sport. I think every boy, even girls, like cricket. Okay. Now F part. Circle the words which have the same as the words in blue. See here, these words are in blue. Small, gift, many, often and puzzle. And in front of small, in each these blue words, 3 choices are given to you. 3 more words are given to you. You have to circle the correct word, which is the correct answer. Okay, like small is equal to tiny. Gift means present. Many means plenty. Often means many times. And last is puzzled. Puzzled means confused. Now G part. Look at the pictures and answer the questions. You can use the words given with the pictures. See here, the words are given to you. Watering the plants. And what is the question? What is Richa doing? So your answer will be, Richa is watering the plants. Second, what are Sam, Huma and Tanvi doing? Sam, Huma and Tanvi are cleaning the park. See, the words are given here, cleaning the park. You just have to add these three names of the children, Sam, Huma and Tanvi. They are cleaning the park. Third, what is Fali doing? Fali is cleaning the room. Do you also clean your room? Do you help your mom? Always make your room tidy. Put your clothes, your shoes, your toys in a proper place. And also your books. Okay? Number 4. What are Tony and Papa doing? Tony and Papa are washing the car. Now H part. Circle the things you take to school. There are so many words, so many things, names are given here. But I think you can't take them to school. Like aeroplane, no you can't. So what things can you take to school? You have to encircle them. Okay? So first of all, bag. Yes, of course you take bag to school. Then lunch box. Yes. Aeroplane, top, books. Yes. Crayons. Yes. Doll. Pillow. No. Car. No. Water bottle. Yes. Next is eraser. Then ruler and computer, chair, table. No, you are given these things to use them in school only. Okay. So here is the end of your lesson. I have discussed everything with you students. Wait for my next video. Till then, bye bye, goodbye, see you.